So yeah, there's Dean. Dean's a woodworking guy. He's right on, man. Yeah. This is like the corner that feels like you're going right around in a whole 360-degree circle. I guess not quite, but yeah. Well, it's sure a nice day, I'll tell you that. Now comes the nice part where everything goes slow. And motorbikes pass on the inside. This is the highlight of my day, eh? This is where I get to sit here and go ho hum, ho hum. Boy, that's fun.